On Wednesday, the Department of Chemistry and Physics presented a lecture on string theory and holography in theoretical physics. Dr. Benjamin Burrington, Associate Professor of Physics and Astronomy at Hofstra University, gave the lecture. In it, he describes that scientists make theoretical constructs by noticing patterns and interactions in their data.
Many times in particle physics, when you see a structure, it means that that particle itself has some constituent particles that it's made out of. And so that's kind of how you go from having this idea of atoms to protons and neutrons and other particles that we see in detectors, down to saying what's the standard model of particle physics. That's the underlying structure of particle physics as we understand it right now.
He defines string theory as a model that accounts for gravity in quantum theory.
One of the other themes of the talk was that model is incomplete. There's also gravity, and one of the candidate models for including gravity along with the quantum structure that is in the standard model is string theory.
New things in science are discovered frequently, yet a lot of it is still unknown.
So part of it is just actually understanding that science is an ongoing process. We are discovering new things all of the time, and a lot of it is not even understood at the theoretical level. We don't even understand what math is required to describe nature at its most fundamental level.
Burrington ends the lecture by saying that not everything in science is solved. He hopes to inspire others to become learners and try to solve what we may not yet have the tools to discover.
Not everything is known, right? Many people get through high school and maybe their entire undergraduate thinking that all problems have been solved. The issue with that is, of course, that you've only been presented problems that have been solved so that you know what problems have been solved. Knowing that there's many problems out there that we may not even have the tools yet to address should, I hope, inspire people to be lifelong learners, to learn about new things themselves, and also knowing that they're not the only ones.
Sarah Campbell, Troy, TrojanVision News.